All right, welcome back. We're going to document some of these moves that Amy's made. All of these are on February 20th.
Yep.
So let's make sure everybody understands that, but we haven't seen you in a little while.
Yep.
So American Express, you bought, that's a new position for you?
It is a new position,
Tell me why you bought that.
We were looking for more consumer exposure. We're very underweight the consumer, and we were looking in a lot of different categories, and all of the categories sort of led us to American Express, which is a financial, but we liked the leisure, the travel, the post-pandemic consumer behavior sort of really skews to American Express's sweet spot. It's trading at a below-market multiple. It's not well-loved, so that's where we went.
Okay. Natera. You also bought, that's a new position as well?
It is a new position.
NTRA.
NTRA, it's an $11 billion diagnostic biotech company. We think this is a really exciting company. What it does is it tests, if you have cancer, it will take a sequence of your cancer and then take multiple blood tests to see if your cancer is coming back. It just had a clinical readout on ovarian cancer. It was able to diagnose a cancer recurrence 10 months earlier with 100% accuracy.
Wow.
40% of oncologists ordered a Natera test last quarter. This company is growing fast, and it will be cash flow positive this year.
Okay, we're watching that stock get a little bit of a move. You bought more Accenture, ACN, tell me.
We bought Accenture. Again, this is the expectations for Accenture are relatively low. It's not a cheap stock. We put our Splunk proceeds, we had owned Splunk, which was bought by Cisco. We put our Splunk proceeds into Accenture to keep our tech weighting. We are a little bit underweight tech to just keep our tech weighting there.
Some big winners that you've trimmed. Berkshire.
Yeah. We trimmed Berkshire. I mean, it's been straight up over the last couple of months. Big winner. For us, we like the company, just trimming to make room for other things.
Joe laughs because he took it out of his Joe T ETF. I saw that out of the corner of my eye, right?
It's not quality.
Yeah, it's not quality, right?
Yeah, right.
It's the definition of quality.
Costco.
Yes.
You trimmed that, Joe. I mean, that's another one of these stocks that's been at around a new high.
It's been around a high. It had a tough earnings last week, but we trimmed it at lower levels than even after the decline from earnings. Again, just straight up for the last couple of months. We really like the company, but very expensive at this point.
What about Vertex and Regeneron, which you've both trimmed?
So we like both of those names longer term. Regeneron's one of our biggest positions. We were making room for Natera, so we think that has more upside going forward. We still really like Regeneron. Vertex we like as well, but a lot of the good news from their pain medicine is now in the stock.
Okay.